Welcome back to Carolina Rut Cuddles. As always, we are here to bring y'all great content. If you watched last week's video, I told you we were abruptly stopping because I felt like the video was getting a little long in tooth, and a lot of people, after about 10 minutes, they don't watch as much. So we cut this in two. So this part is mainly with the Rancho, and the 6x6 does go through some mud too, so don't worry. But we go out there, we have some fun, we send it. We're just having a great time. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe if you ain't already. So let's get this video started, and I'll see y'all in it. Just stick in my way. Blow it! You're good. Back up. Uh-oh. Full throttle. You're so close. No, you gotta go forward this time. Oh, about 50. Yeah, a couple times. Keep turning. Just keep turning and go back in here. There you go. Floor it. You gotta love it. These two are having so much fun. I'm loving it. I love when some people come ride with me. You didn't make it. I don't know what he thought he was going to do.
That's the wrong one.
Wrong hole, wrong hole. The only way to make it up that is to split it, and you saw how well that worked in my last video. We're letting Walker drive the 6x6. It's like a tank. It's very boring to drive, but it never stops. Yep. Make it. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I don't have faith anymore though. I'm still in it. Dang it. Come on, baby.
You gonna make it?
Oh, come on. She's gonna hold her wrist. He hit it too hard.
Oh, I'm not gonna make it.
Hit it, hit it. Oh. Backwards. Put her reverse, Terry. Put her reverse, Terry.
Okay, you ready?
Ready. Just hit it full speed. You can't break it. If you do, who cares? Hey, go out the hole we couldn't make it up.
Huh?
Go out that hole over there we couldn't make up. You'll make it with that thing. You got this. I got faith. Probably should have took my GoPro off. Too late. like I said, the video is great. This was a full sim video. We all had a lot of fun. This is my buddy Walker. He just started walking with us, and that's his girlfriend. I think it's Madison, I think he said her name was. And they wanted to come ride, so we went riding. Had a blast today, guys. I hope he comes more. Sadly, we kept getting stuck today. If you've watched the first part, like I said, then we got stuck a lot. Luckily, we didn't get stuck in this hole, but of course, y'all seen this hole. It's not that bad. So hopefully, we can get y'all some more content coming down the pipe. I have a lot more to come. Sadly, I have a lot of work to do. We got a lot of work to do to all these machines. The wheel bands are shot on the front of the 300. I've checked them all the time, and they seem to be fine. But I guess what's been sitting up, they finally just went out. So I got to replace all the wheel bands on that. At least the front wheel bands. Really? The back one's still good for now. How long? I don't know. The real diff needs to be fixed sometime, but we're just going to send it till it goes and explodes, because that's how it is. What y'all think about my hat? Oh, Legion Moto. I think it's what? Moto Group. Go follow them on Instagram, guys. They're great. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.